Okay, I don't know what I'm going to have to do here. When people call in, it throws my camera into whack, my phone. It'll stop recording, or I can pause it and it'll kick it off. So, I'm going to do the best I can. I wasn't expecting any phone calls yet. Not until 4:30, quarter till 5, when my husband calls to let me know he's on his way home. But anyway, my noodles are just about done. I don't know. I will be glad when I can get my new camera. That way I can record a lot better product for you guys. Because I just can't do it with what I'm trying to do with my phone. So it'll be nice to have like a GoPro. Don't get me wrong, I love my camera, what it does on my phone. But I also know what happens when somebody tries calling me. It shuts the phone completely off to where I can answer the phone call. That's one feature I do not like about this phone. Matter of fact, I've had nothing but problems with the phone. About the only thing I can say nice about this Android phone that I have is that when I'm recording, I can go from you guys looking at me to what else I'm doing on the back side. I can flip the camera around. That's what I really like about this phone, because I know a lot of cell phones do not have that option, and this one does. That's one of the things I like about this phone. Yes, guys, right now I'm also in the process of making some coffee for me, and I got it too hot, the water too hot for me. So I'm going to have to put that aside and let that cool down for a few minutes. So I just got it way too hot for me. But that's nothing new or unusual. I'm going to test my noodles here to see if they're ready to drain. I don't think they are, but we'll see if I can get one out of here. Okay, we'll do a couple of them. See, a couple of noodles here. Ooh, hot. Yes, those are done. So I'm gonna drain these. Jeez. I am having a heck of a day today, guys. So please bear with me. Alright? Please bear with me. You're probably asking me why I don't save any of the pasta water. It's because I'd rather have it do it this way. Let me put the cream in here. Now I'll put the chicken in. So I got 2 containers of chicken going in. Put this back on the stove here. I have 2 containers of chicken. Yes, little one is still on the couch. Yes, honey. Yeah, but you need to get up off the floor. Please. Thank you. Huh? If you want, you can throw the rest of that in here. Make it taste a little bit better.
There's bacon in here?
Yeah, go ahead. Crumple up the bacon. Bacon tastes better You know, you add bacon, it tastes better, right, everybody? Just some bacon left over from breakfast this morning that we're adding. Just kind of making it a little, taste a little bit better. Like I said, the noodles are done. I added some cream to it. I'm going to add the sauce here in just a second. As soon as I get some of this mixed up a little.
Need some coffee?
Yes, baby, I made me some more coffee. Momo just... I'm having a rough time right now.
You need your breathing tea?
Huh?
You need your breathing tea?
No, I'm not going to do my breathing tea right now, babe.
I mix it up for you. I mix it up for you.
I know, it looks like a very thick gravy. I know, everybody. That's the reason why I said I had to add some more cream to this to kind of loosen it up. Uh-oh, I found a bone. That's not good. Don't eat a bone in our food. Is there another bone? Please tell me no. I thought I deboned all of this. What, honey? To what? No, I'm not adding potatoes to this. No. Okay, I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more cream to all of this. Because it's still... Oh. Add just a little bit more cream. I think it'll loosen it up a little bit more.
Can I taste it?
Well, honey, I gotta add something else to it. It just, I don't know, something.
Add some of this to it.
Huh?
Add some of this to it.
What?
This.
No, that's bacon grease, baby.
Yeah, add some bacon grease to it.
I just added the chunks of bacon to it.
Bacon grease.
Now, why would I want to add bacon grease to it, baby girl?
You need to yummy.
Well, come here and taste it then. I mean, it's... Huh?
It's okay.
I said come here and taste it, please. Here's a fork. Sorry, everybody. My nose is kind of running right now. Does it need something?
Yeah.
Salt, pepper.
A little bit more salt and pepper, probably. And probably some like onion powder or something. Oh,
Well, it's supposed to taste like lemon.
does that taste like no lemon?
Ah, jeez. Probably because it needs to cook.
Give me back.
I don't know. I'm not for sure what it actually needs, so... Rika's not here.
Oh, yeah.
Or go upstairs and see. She might be. I don't know. You can go upstairs and check for me, please. I'm just adding some more seasonings, everybody. Because right now it just doesn't taste like it should. God, I'm almost out of garlic again. Jeez.
No, she's outside.
No, she's not outside. I already looked outside. She's not outside.
Is she in back there?
Go look. I don't think she is.
No, go back there. It's right there.
You can look right out the back windows. I got windows that look in the backyard. I don't think she's even here. I think she's down at Gracie's.
Don't know.
you want my opinion, I think that's where she's at. Come here, please taste it now. See if it's a little bit better. I just added some more seasoning to it. Alright everybody, this is the finished product of supper tonight. This is what it looks like tonight. Our dinner, our creamy lemon herb chicken and noodle dinner. I would like to thank each and every one of you for being here. Angelina?
Yeah?
Come here, please.
Honey? Yes.
So, make sure you
Like and subscribe, hit that
slow down.
like and subscribe, hit that bell, the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye-bye.
Bye guys.